Refrigerator's going in. This is a massive beast right here. Let's hope it clears.
No.
It like barely clears.
Okay.
Oh, take out the light.
Which one light? No, it's not hitting the light, it's hitting the drywall. Yeah.
Take the light out. Hey, there's a hole there.
Hey.
It's not hitting the
de abajo.
I don't think so, no.
There's no clearance.
No clearance.
It's only this piece metal.
Go for it.
We're gonna patch it up.
We have no choice. Yeah.
So in that case, let's go to you like how it is right now, and that way we can just stand it up.
All right.
Okay. You lay it down more. Lay it down more. All right, we're gonna go to you.
No, you hold the handle. Okay, don't hold it. Okay, ready?
We're gonna slide to you. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Hey!
Okay, that's it.
Stand up. Slide.
Okay.
Okay.
What are you guys doing? Rotating? What are you doing? Just lift it up, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and lift it up and it's...
Stand up.
Hey, can you lift it up?
No, ready? 1, 2, 3, push up.
Wait, the light.
Okay, just go ahead and push it. Yeah, go ahead. And roll it.
Okay.
It cleared. Yeah, good. Yay! We got it.
Oh, watch out the floor.
Good job. Take number 2. Let's see. Let me see. Maybe where you're at is okay. I don't want you to. Yeah, right there is fine. I don't want a little higher. Right there. Yeah, maybe right there. Okay, it took much longer than we thought to install these lights, these fairy lights, but it's up. We just need one more. Let's test them out. Ooh, you can't see them now, but it'll be more visible tonight. Okay, this fairy light is starting to show more here. We still got another one coming here. Home, sweet home. One more day, tomorrow. Okay. There's just so many things that interfered, and yeah. Same old. Just small little punch items that we gotta knock out, and I hope tomorrow is going to be the end of the project, and then we can just really do the small items later. Cross fingers.